Single.php is used to display single posts in WordPress. Page.php is used as the default WordPress page. OpenPage.html. Activate the WordPress Pinegrow plugin. This is the master page, should not be ticked. Enter index.html in the Use Master Page field. Save and export the theme. We must first create a loop. Select the article container. Add the ID action from the Posts section. Select the title tag. Add the title action under Post. Select the paragraph tag. Add the content action from the Posts section. Select the article container again. Add the loop action from the Loops section. Select the header div. Add the featured image background action from the Post section. Enter full in the size field. Select the title tag. Add the title action under Post. Save and export the theme. To make sure everything is working correctly. Let's edit the text. Click Set a featured image. Update the page to save it. Our content has changed. Our default page works. Copy the URL and paste it into the Preview Page URL field. Save the page. Well done! You've finished this lesson.